Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP Ripple. So with XRP we continue to move in this triangle pattern. My current or latest view is actually that we have completed the A, B, C and D waves of the triangle. Triangle consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E, and I think we are now in the E wave. Of course, there is no clear confirmation for that because such a triangle can shift, it can morph, it can extend, it can change in size and shape, but I can count the D wave as a complete corrective pattern. Yeah, I have taken the subwaves out here because it always confuses and messes up with the chart a bit, and you have too many numbers and letters on the chart. But yeah, I can count this as a complete wave. I have to say that obviously we haven't really reached the target for the D wave. I mean, I always need to be a bit careful with targets in a triangle, but an ideal target would have been the 50.2 cent level, the 61.8 extension. We only reached the 48.5 cent level really. But yeah, still I can count it as complete, and the way we are coming down now would suggest for me, especially as we broke below the previous low, that we're already on the wave E to the downside in the wave E. And what I can do, I can count this already as a wave W, which bottomed at 44.8 cents. Then I can, at the moment, consider this to be a wave X high, which was at 46.3. And then we could be really heading down further here in the E wave at the moment. And this E wave would need to stop above the wave C. So it would need to stop above 42.2 cents to maintain the current scenario. Typically what you would expect is that the wave Y has the same length as the wave W. So we can make a sort of rough estimation here where it might come to. So a key target level for the E wave would be at 42.6 cents. That is the 1-to-1 ratio for wave W and Y. And from here we then have a chance to reverse to the upside, because in this massive triangle that we have here, the view is that we are going to break to the upside. That is sort of part of the higher level assumption here. There is short-term upside potential, possibly all the way up to 77 to 80 cents. That would be a substantial breakout. And however, what I would want to see to get a first indication this is actually happening is a break above the wave D high, and that is at 48.4 cents. And then we need to follow through and break above the wave B high at basically 55 cents. Yeah, need to get above that range there, and then we can follow through. Should we, and that is a warning sign, should we go below the low of the wave C, which is at 42.2 cents, then, so a little bit lower than the target actually of the wave E, just below that. If we do that, then it would be already invalidation of the triangle, yeah, and then we have to follow through to below wave A, and that wouldn't really be a good because what you have then is a breakout of the triangle to the opposite side, and I think then we have to look at possible support levels around 38 cents and 34 cents. And if we come down that low, then really the overall assumption that we get short-term upside potential isn't going to work out, and then we probably have to assume that all of this was just a corrective move to the upside and we are already coming down. But at the moment, the triangle is sort of still playing out. We are still in the range. I think the assumption that we are in a triangle at the moment is working out. It has been working out for a couple of weeks now, because we're just doing sideways, right? We're just doing sideways, and if we weren't in a triangle, you would have seen some kind of an impulsive move like we have seen with other coins. XRP hasn't done it. So the assumption that indeed we are in this triangle pattern is correct and has been correct, and it has not been completed yet as assumed. So we're just waiting here for wave E to finish, and then the chart has a next chance to break out. And this could, by the way, be finished at any time, because all we really need to do is to see a complete corrective pattern in a wave E. This is already complete, but the wave Y is very short. So I would, in all likelihood, it should really be a bit longer and get to that target level that I indicated. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.